Assalamualaikum.
We are from Italy and we arrived here yesterday. We are in Heramosh Valley and this is the hotel Kutwal Heramosh, and it's so mashallah, all beautiful and people beautiful.
Look at the Heramosh peak here.
And the valley, it's all incredible, and the staff, come here, staff please.
And near the beautiful river. Now go to the beautiful lake.
And with them all kind, they also love our dog. That it's not that it's hard in these places to find.
The perfect this place with
Yes.
a dog.
Thank you for everything.
For all stuff for this beautiful place. Mashallah.
And no, Pakistan Sindabad, right? Sorry, we don't make videos, so I don't know. It's hard.
No good speaker.
No, you know.